My name is Isaiah Odofia, where you people know. But today video I want to talk what in pastor they do, which is not good. My brethren, we call pastor, reverend, bishop, prophet, call them. That thing where Satan tell Jesus do, tell Jesus, Jesus say no, he need to do. Because Satan tell Jesus, make him turn stone to bread. Stone those stone to bread. So that he can chop it. He can do well. He say no. He no go fit do. But anything we good for the God's side, now waiting he go do. But today, pastors, reverend, bishop, prophet, call them. Now waiting then they do now. Some they buy big motor, then do investment. They get plenty money. They get the fat. Now waiting then they do today. So if your God, your master, the person where you dey, where be say na him make you dey there, in saying no they do this thing, but you they do. So it's the turn stone to bread. Because let me tell you, that is why anybody where you don't know the parable, no interpret wrongly. Because my father tell Abraham that your son and your daughter could be like the star of the heaven and the sun of the sea. People say uncountable. Let me tell you, my father cannot talk something where the symbol lie and something where be like lie, where he go fashion and then do well so that he could be like saying a truth. No, my father cannot do that. The God, my father, can do that. It simply mean that Abraham, your son and your daughter, he could be like the star of the heaven and the sun of the sea. That means son and daughter of Abraham, he cannot die young. Say then no could die young. Some he could be like white hair with black, which be like the star of the heaven, and some white, which be like the sun of the sea. Then I ask you now, if them bring one double trip of sand, I mean big trip, only one trip of sand, even from your own village, you never bring past the people where they, you never plenty past the vehicle where they for the world. Because I know say after trillion, na quadrillion, after quadrillion, we get sextillion, octillion, nonillion, dexillion. Plenty of them till quintillion, which is 6330. But billion is 90. Why trillion is 12 quadrillion is 15 sextillion is 21 0. So octillion, then count them till quintillion, which is 63 Then it never big past the figure way there for the world. If only one plastic sand, one trip of plastic sand never pass the figure. Then how long then he say uncountable? How long you say uncountable? That is why waiting this pastor they do. Because Satan tell Jesus, use this stone, make bread. Jesus say no, he no could do that. Now the congregation he say turn them, send them, make them put money, then do. He go they get money from them. He go they make wealth. And now what thing they do now? Then carry congregation because they make money, do. Then I ask you now, if now where your master, your person where make you dey there, reject that thing where you say you know they do you they do, I ain't go take you. Now because of hungry, now he make disciple of Christ on Sunday, they enter begin plug something chop where Pharisee people say, why your person, your people, they spoil Sabbath. Now waiting cause them. And I ask you, it means say himself which is fresh, he no feed this hungry. Now because of he know as a master, he maintain. That is why I tell you today, those things where they do, stop them. no dey do those kind thing again, because e no good. No dey do am. No dey turn those people. Even some of them sef, the church wey the school wey dey open, their member e no fit enter, e no fit dey there. And yeah, they see they go, they put their tithes, they put their offering, do everything. Even they preach for them, say they rob God. I go talk that because that tithe is something where they say make them they pay those Levites where they work inside the church. But now, are you using this money to maintain those poor people, widow and other poor children where they inside your church? Are you use that money to maintain them? That money is not for you. Why you go come carry them? They begin to make way for yourself. So that is why I talk in today. Say stop those things where they do. Because if my master come, my master is my Jesus, is my life, is everything where I get. If he come, when he asks you, what do you answer? My people, may we listen, may we do well, may we go in the way of God, not to go in the way where Satan go. You know, the first name of Satan, it was Lucifer, the morning star. But the second name is what? Then call him Satan. Waiting be your first name today. Waiting go be your last name. Because when you do all these things, you think say you will go to heaven. And my brother, I will not sure. I will not sure. I beg, worship God the way we're supposed to worship God, not to frustrate the people who are there for the church. That is what I want to tell you people today. Please stop all those things.